Assembly constituency 35 aduga akhoi district 5 haibadi Thobal Kakching Chandel Kangpokpi amasung Churachandpur gi ngasi first phase sida akhoi vote pangthoi hojik phawba lakpa report da akhoi gi asoi angam yawba akhoi gi lekhai thugai ba tobgi pawm te leite yam santi hoina vote thadanari haibagi paulai aduga loinana pung ahum bokta phangba report da akhoi gi poll percentage se 50% kitang di hengre du bohren dorakpagi figure di akhoi ngasi kitang thengna phangani haijage masigi damakta ina outer parliamentary constituency first phase ta leiriba district election officer sing amasung ARO sing amasung praja sing boi thaga phong dok chari